In this tutorial I'm going to show you the long tail cast on method, named because you need to begin with a long tail. So at least 2 to 3 times the amount of yarn you need. I would always say err on the side of caution because it's very annoying if you get to the end and run out. So if you take your yarn at least 3 times the length that you need, make a slip knot, wrap your yarn round, cross it over, set the needle under, over and through, so we have our slip knot. Then you're just going to tighten that up. And then the basis of the long tail method is having the yarn one strand over your forefinger, so that's the working yarn there, and one strand under your thumb. So you have this kind of arrangement, a sort of square setup of your yarn there. So with the long tail method, you're going to use your thumb to create a loop here. So the yarn is now looped around your thumb. Now take the right needle tip through this loop. So both your thumb and the right needle tip are through that loop there. Catch the yarn that's around your forefinger. So we're just going to catch that and pull it through the loop. And then we pull this to tighten. So we have now 2 stitches on the needle. So create a loop with your thumb, needle through the loop, catch the yarn from your forefinger, pull it through and tighten. Through the loop, catch the yarn, pull it through and tighten. So you don't need to make it too tight, but just snug it up a little bit. Do a few more. And there's the long tail cast on method. So when you begin knitting, just be sure to use your working yarn to knit your first row. Don't accidentally use this yarn. That's a mistake that's very easily made.